Let me tell you a quick story. So there was a little kid in his school who loved to answer every question. But एक दिन ना उसके टीचर ने उसे बहुत डांटा just because कि उसने एक आंसर गलत दे दिया. And from that day, he stopped raising his hand. That kid could be me. It could be you. क्या कभी आपने ये सोचा है कि आप कितनी भी कोशिश कर रहे हो, it's never enough. And you feel like you can't do it. Before you could even try, you stopped yourself by thinking कि मुझसे तो ये होगा ही नहीं. But let me tell you, self-doubt has destroyed more dreams than failure ever has. So if you have ever had this voice inside your head that says you can't do it और तुमने तो वैसे भी fail हो जाना है, then this video is for you. And I know it will definitely help you. First thing first, let's understand the root of this fear. How self-doubt starts. Look, self-doubt doesn't just come out of nowhere. It always starts in the small moments. Do you remember the very first time you started doubting yourself? Most of us don't even remember. But that moment shaped the way we see ourselves even today. Like maybe in school, someone told you that you are not smart enough, or you are not creative, or maybe you failed at something once and decided that I'm not going to do this again. I'm not good at this. और when you scroll on social media और जब आप दूसरों को वहाँ कुछ अच्छा करते हुए देखते हो तो you feel like कि मैं कुछ भी कर लूँ, मैं उनकी तरह तो कभी नहीं बन पाऊंगी. And this is how it starts entering your head and changing the whole perception you have for yourself. And इसमें तो कोई शक नहीं कि हमारी लाइफ को कितना ज्यादा इफेक्ट करता है. Like every time an opportunity comes, instead of saying yes, we start asking ourselves that, what if I failed? What if people laugh at me? And in that overthinking, we step back from the things that could actually change our life. Now ask yourself, what have you already lost because of your own overthinking? You know what? The cost of self-doubt is not just some missed opportunities. It's the life we would have lived. Self-doubt kills our confidence, it makes us play small, and the worst part is, it leaves us with regret. You know that heavy feeling when you think, I could have done this, but I didn't even try. And you have to remember that self-doubt doesn't stop you from failing. It stops you from even starting. And I'm not gonna lie, आज भी मुझे कहीं ना कहीं self-doubt तो होता ही है because it's our human nature. ये completely गायब नहीं हो सकता. But you should know how to stop letting this doubt control you. And yes, it will take some time. As for me, it took me 2 years to reduce the amount of doubts I had for myself. So now let's talk about some simple solutions that actually works and which I also did to reduce my self-doubt. The first one is start questioning your doubts. Now think about it. If your friend told you that, I know you're definitely going to fail this test, wouldn't you ask them, wait, तुम्हें कैसे पता? How do you know? What proof do you have that I'll fail that test? Then why don't we ask the same questions to our own thoughts? So the next time when your mind says, oh, I can't do this, stop and ask, do I have any proof? Maybe you studied for 30 minutes yesterday. Maybe you answered one question in your class last week. That's the proof against your doubt. Look, doubt only feels powerful when you never question it. So before you believe a thought, make it pass your test. Now the second one might sting a little, but stop avoiding the things you said you'll do. Now be honest here. How many times have you promised yourself that I'll start studying at 5 and then at 5:01, you are still scrolling your phone? And I know the comfort of avoidance feels great in the moment, but later it makes you feel guilty and your doubt grows stronger. It's like you're feeding a monster, so it's definitely going to keep coming back bigger. So here's a trick. Use the 2-minute rule. Tell yourself that I'll do it for just 2 minutes. For example, open a book and read 5 lines. Write 1 or 2 sentences. Do 10 squats, and that's it. Most of the time, once you start, you'll realize that actually, this isn't so scary after all, because action is always louder than the doubt. The third one is affirmations. Now wait, don't roll your eyes. I know you've heard about the affirmations before, but here's the truth. Most of the affirmations don't work because people say things they don't even believe. Like, I'm super confident or I'm the smartest. And your brain goes like, no, that's not me. Instead, make them real. Say affirmations about the things you're already good at. Like, I'm someone who tries because yesterday I finished my homework on time. Or I'm someone who improves because last week I did better in my test. See, these are real. And when you repeat them every day, little by little, you'll start believing in yourself more because you're not lying here. You are reminding yourself of the truth. And finally, the fourth one is stop hanging out with people who make you doubt yourself. I know ये थोड़ा tough है, but just think about it. Do you have that one friend who always laugh when you answer wrong in class? Or someone who make you feel stupid for sharing your ideas? That hurts, right? And the more you hear those voices outside, the more they become your inner voice. So if you are always surrounded with people who pull you down, your self-doubt will only grow. So start reducing your time with them and spend more time with people who encourage you, even if it's just one good friend. And on social media, you can also mute or unfollow the accounts that makes you feel less and follow the ones who inspire you because your circle is your mirror. So choose a kind of mirror. I know sometimes self-doubt feels like it will never go away, but the truth is you are not defined by your doubts. You are defined by the actions you take, the efforts you give, and the courage to try again even when you are scared. So don't wait for the perfect moment, the perfect confidence. Start small, start messy, but just start. Because every step you take proves to your doubt that it was wrong about you. And trust me, you are capable of so much than you believed. So that's it for this video, and please share it with someone who really needs this because I know it will help them at some points. And do tell me in the comment section, out of these 4 tips, which one will you start practicing today? And don't forget to subscribe for the further episodes, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep improving and don't give up.